this beautiful ocean. How can it be protected? Shiseido starts by expressing our love for it. SHISEIDO AquaGel Lip Palette. Using marine biodegradable PHBH in the product casing for the first time in the world, Shiseido strives to exist in harmony with nature. The product concept is embodied in the limited edition packaging. Inspired by the sea, this lip palette offers 5 different shades and textures that provide the best coloring and shine. Send a kiss to the beautiful ocean of our future. Express your color with the sustainable SHISEIDO AquaGel Lip Palette. Sustainable Beauty Actions. SHISEIDO, Ginza, Tokyo.